61A lecture number 35. Announcements. We will have 3 more hours of online office hours on Monday. When we had office hours yesterday, they were a little bit overwhelmed, but we'll do our best. I think we helped a lot of students, and we'll spend some time Monday helping a bunch more. We will prioritize the SCHEME project on Monday just so that people can get it done on time. Homework 9 deadline has been extended until after Thanksgiving. And lecture 36, which is Monday's lecture, will be YouTube video only. There will be no live lecture and no Zoom lecture, and it will be short. There's just 2 videos. And that will wrap up our unit on SQL. When we come back from Thanksgiving, we'll learn a little bit more about SQL, but it will be optional, and we'll learn how it interacts with Python. If you're looking for something to do, please participate in the completely optional SCHEME Recursive Art Contest. The other thing that I'll pitch in this video, even though I didn't put it on the website, is that I'm going to be part of the Big Game Bonfire Rally tonight, which has doors open at 6 p.m. at the Greek Theater. I think the show actually starts at 7, and I'll come on just before 8. It's going to be really quick, so don't just come there for me. But I will be there, and it's a fun way to celebrate Berkeley history and its rivalry with Stanford. And I think they have a really big toasty bonfire. So, could be fun. And lastly, I was looking through the historical entries for the SCHEME Recursive Art Contest, and I found one that was particularly creepy. Check this out. Okay, now on to more SQL.